Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 when you lost it somewhere in the room. And to do this, we'll need to set up our Google Assistant for the lock screen, and also you need to make sure that you have volume up on your phone, and you can check our previous video about this device on how to set up the Google Assistant on the lock screen. Now when it's ready, we can ask Google to either play a song or "Where are you?" With that phrase, it will make a sound and your phone will be easy to find. Now let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I live in a house built out of pixels. Look how pretty it is.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.